Welcome to Dayla's class, brought to you by Alondra, Sofia, and Carmen. Today, you will be building a Wicket cricket game. The main goal is to build a ball launching device that can knock down a target as many times as possible in 3 minutes. The target is an eraser balanced on top of 2 pencils stuck in a cup filled with clay. Together, these parts are all called Wicket. Before you begin, you need to watch a video that will be linked down in the description. For your cricket wicket, you may use any of the materials that are available in the official materials list. 10 plastic or paper cups, 10 popsicle sticks, 10 wooden pencils, 10 pieces of paper, 10 rubber bands, cardboard tubes, and a roll of tape. Other tools and testing materials that are included in the official materials list are a ball, a ruler, a pair of scissors, paper or plastic cups, 2 wooden pencils, an eraser, and Play-Doh. For your cricket wicket, you may use any of the materials that are in the official list. I will be using these materials for mine. Before you get started, pause the video and make sure to read over the rules. I begin by designing my cricket wicket. What is it that I wanted to do? This will be completely up to you. Do you want it to slingshot your ball? Do you want it to throw your ball? Do you want to use a lever? Whatever you want to do is completely up to you. Use your creativity and your engineering skills for this step. For my cricket wicket, I want something like a canyon, something that will slingshot my ball, but also something that is adjustable. I start by taking a piece of cardboard. I will cut it in half. One of the parts will be used for the base and the other to construct the other pieces of my cannon. I start by drawing out 2 rectangles. These rectangles will be the supporting part of my cannon. I then will add some small slits to it. It should look like an E. Before I glue anything down, I just make sure that everything is at a good size. Then once I'm positive everything is, I start to glue down. For my cardboard tube, I just used the cardboard that was available to fold it into a cylinder. But if you have a toilet paper roll, that might be easier. For my cannon, I made 2 holes across from each other. This is where I will put my rubber band through. Once my rubber band is through, I make sure to tie it on the outside part to make sure it doesn't go anywhere. I then add a small square of cardboard. I tape that to my rubber band, and this is what will keep in place my ball. I then get a rubber band and tape it onto my cardboard piece. I will pull everything through my tube, and this is how I will be able to slingshot my ball to the cricket wicket. For some extra support for my cannon, I will be adding another piece of cardboard on each side with a slit on it. To put everything together, I take a rubber band and put it around the pieces of cardboard that I glued down. This is what will hold my cannon in place. As you can see, I am able to adjust the level that I wanted to aim, and this will of course depend on how far you are from the wicket. Once I adjust it to my liking, I test it out to make sure it works, and it looks like it works pretty good. To build my wicket, I just took the Play-Doh out of the container, and then I stuck 2 pencils in the Play-Doh. The eraser will remain on the top of the pencils. Now that my cricket wicket is completed, I will begin to launch my balls for 3 minutes straight and see how many times I can knock out the eraser. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer them. And as always, thank you for joining me today.